Namaskar, I'm Prakash, astrologer, presenting you weekly forecast based on your moon signs. These weekly forecasts have no relevance with sun sign whatsoever. All the weekly predictions are based on your moon sign, nothing to do with sun sign for all of you. You're going to find out about your moon sign from your birth chart, nothing to do with sun sign. Aries weekly conclusion. In this coming week, there will be lots of headaches and hassles. You must look after your eyesight and headaches. There will be lots of running around. You'll go through lots of professional fluctuation. There are lots of new ventures planning. There will be a rise in status, prestige and honor. Aries, you'll come across in this week lots of financial gain and prosperous opportunities. But it's up to you how you handle those opportunities. You have to keep up your efforts for any achievement. After 4th of May, do watch your word of speech. Do watch your mannerism. Do refrain from foul temper and out of control behavior. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge arguments or conflicts. Without, may I say, out of control aggression can only ruin things, nothing else. But refrain from foul temper. You got to watch your word of speech. I know, I know that you understand that you know what you're doing. But you have to keep that idea to everybody else. You have to make everybody aware that you know what you're talking about. But you have to present that technically, with your actions, not with your aggression. You will have a plan to create a change in your business, profession, career. But man management can be tricky. You'll be in contact with a lot of professional people, qualified people, decision maker. But go with the flow. Approach them with politely. You're blessed with financial gain and improvement in your circumstances. But at the same time, you'll come across many obstacles and professional challenges. It won't be easy. Your expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You'll come across many obstacles, delays, and domestic complications. You've got to look after your health. You have to be very taking care, health-wise, take care of your back, lower abdomen, below the button of belly. And sometimes, lack of energy. Look after yourself, especially your back. Taurus weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of productive and unique opportunities. In this coming week, there will be a happy occasion at home. In this coming week, you'll get the help from professional people, qualified people who are decision makers. Taurus, in this coming week, you'll get the cooperation and support and guidance. Taurus, in this coming week, don't blind faith on anybody. People can raise your hopes and pull you into some sort of something and which is not real. Please do your common sense, applied wisdom, self-initiative for your rising, success, prosperity. Nobody going to drop success on your lap. No. You'll come across health issues, complications, hassles. You're blessed with major obstacles, delays and complications. And sometimes you can be all over the place. There will be fruitless running around, major struggleful situations and hassles, sometimes too much tension and complicated circumstances. Taurus, you're going through a lot of family relationship clashes, disputes linked with inheritance. You have to handle the situation very carefully. Sometimes the political situation can be far more volatile than your imagination. You're blessed with financial gain and family comfort. You're blessed with a new project, venture and idea. There will be a lot of professional progression, new financial professional opportunities. There will be stress level and health issues. You'll be meeting a lot of new people, professional people, getting their support. Due to many professional complications, you'll be quite upset, sometimes very annoyed, sometimes extremely irritated. Beware of any cheating, deception and fraud. Refrain from any conflicts and arguments. You'll carry lots of secret tension which you don't want to share with anybody. You'll go through a lot of secret enemies. People can backstab you. This coming week, may I say that Sun, Mercury are not in your favor. You've got to sort it out. Sun, Mercury are not in favor. Ketu and Rahu can block your flow of income. Sun and Mercury were there to offer you financial punishment from higher authorities. Or unexpected expenditure, or building your debts, or creating a major obstacle in your flow of income, or unexpected expenditure which is beyond your imagination. And you have to pay somebody some money. So Sun, Mercury, Rahu, Ketu, you have to sort it out with the help of task precaution chanting. Of course, you can have that in the full report. So have the full weekly report and have access to that one. As the best way you can achieve it. Take the full report and take the complete prediction for the whole week, as well as task precaution chanting, what you should do and how you can manage it. There are some errors, if there are any setbacks, how you can overcome them with the help of task precaution chanting. Gemini weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll be in contact with highly professional people, qualified people. You make lots of plans for the future for your profession and career. Gemini, in this coming week, you'll come across lots of professional opportunities. You'll be able to accomplish your goal, objective with your knowledgeability and skill set. There are lots of running around. You must keep up your efforts. There will be a rise in bravery and efforts and creativity. You'll come across lots of unexpected expenditures, lots of different opinions with loved ones. Gemini, this coming week, you've got to watch your temper. Otherwise, you'll end up in a financial disputes with people around you. You'll come across many major struggleful situations, complex situations. But with your effort, you'll be rewarded. Beware of financial losses, especially if you involve in any joint venture. There will be few different opinions and ego clashes, but refrain from out of control attitude or out of control behavior. Look after yourself. More you become hasty, rush in your actions or decisions, more you will ruin things. There will be few secret attention which you won't share with anybody. Do take care of your health and well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. You'll travel around and carry lots of secret attention which you don't want to share with anybody. Gemini, this particular week, the position of Mars, Saturn, Jupiter can create a negative impact on you. Regarding your profession, regarding your matrimonial life, regarding your marriage, regarding your future prospect, your flow of income. You have to sort it out, your Mars, Saturn, Jupiter, because these can give you hidden financial losses through and cheating, deception, fraud. You can be victim of that one. And sometime expected gain will not be there. Situation in personal life as well as professional life can change beyond your imagination. So you have to sort out with task precaution chanting. You have to sort out your Mars, Saturn and Jupiter. And Rahu is transiting in your own Lagna. Ketu is in 7th house. So we have to raise Sun and Mercury as well. Because Rahu is in Lagna. We have no choice. We got to sort it out. So with complete report of weekly forecast, you can have access to task precaution chanting, which can manage Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, as well as how to raise Sun and Mercury, how to dominate Rahu's negative effect on you, and how to take over Venus positivity for you. Yes. And how we can eliminate Ketu's sourness, the bitterness in your relationship, and how can we make the relationship sweeter and better. So with full weekly report, you can have access to all the information, the full complete weekly forecast, plus what you should do and how you can manage any negative factors and how you can make the whole week very productive for yourself. In the full weekly forecast, you can do that. Cancer weekly conclusion. In this coming week, your financial gain will be nominal. Cancer in this coming week, you'll have to do lots of running around for your gain, success and prosperity. You'll be in contact with professional people, darling people. You'll enjoy the companionship. Consider in this coming week, there will be rise in status, prestige and honor. You'll have to put extreme effort for your gain, success and prosperity. Try not to over-suspicious or double-minded. Otherwise, you'll end up ruining everything for everybody. Refrain from any kind of hate, jealousy and negative attitude. There will be happy occasion in the family. You'll come across lots of running around. If you are in a business or self-employed, then you will go through lots of changes and certain financial gain and prosperity. You'll be in contact with highly professional people, decision maker. You'll be participating in a lot of social events, religious events. You'll be tense, overexcited, sometimes getting carried away with your emotions. You'll face lots of professional problems and complications and hassles. Due to over expenditure, you can be under debt. You've got to be very careful whenever you deal with any legal issues. Do consult any legal expert before you sign any legal contract. You've got to be extra careful whenever you're driving. You have a few income resources with challenges. Beware of sudden traveling. Your patience, determination will help you out in any difficult circumstances which you can do. So best way you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. With task precaution chanting, you can achieve a lot. But this coming week, Rahu can create a sudden financial loss. Secret financial loss. Ketu will create a sudden health problem, health issue. There's a combination of Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, which is 7th house. And this combination, Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, you have to be aware of cheating, deception and fraud. And at the same time, look after your matrimonial health, matrimonial life and life partner's health and well-being. And may I say that there is any bitterness in the relationship, don't deal with any kind of misunderstanding or bitterness with an aggressive approach. You got to be more passionate than aggressive, please. Show passion instead of aggression. That is the only way. Rahu's position in 12th house can create a third party influence in the relationship, which can create a bitterness in the relationship. Sometimes you are in the relationship, but you're not getting there's a deficit of trust in the relationship. That can, whether it's a business relationship or life relationship, deficit of trust can occur. And with the help of task precaution chanting, which you can have access in the full report, you can dominate all these if you want to. So with the full weekly report, you have a full weekly forecast, you have all the task precaution chanting, how you can stabilize the week with the help of task precaution chanting. So if you think this is important for you, you can take the full weekly report and sort it out. Leo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you come across lots of new opportunities, new projects, new ventures, new ideas. You're blessed with financial gain and accomplishments. There will be rise in status, prestige and honor and rising. Leo, this coming week you'll involve in deal of a car or property. You'll go through lots of struggle, but you will be able to accomplish your objective and goal. With a professional advice and proper strategy, you'll be able to accomplish your foreign projects. You'll come across lots of family relationship accomplishments. Beware of legal conflict with higher authorities. You'll come across major professional fluctuation and hassle, but at the same time you'll come across lots of professional or financial opportunities, income resources. You'll be in contact with lots of professional people, powerful people. Your income can be low, expenditure can be higher than your income. You go through lots of secret tension. There will be fruitless running around. You got to work hard for your gain, success and prosperity. You got to watch your behavior, conduct, mannerism, dealing. Otherwise, you'll come across lots of family relationship differences and clashes. By the weekend, your temper can be higher than your imagination, so please control yourself. Beware of headaches, blood pressure, domestic arguments, conflicts. You got to be extra careful about your drive and step. Please exercise your applied wisdom and common sense. This coming week, may I say, position of Rahu and Ketu is not very good. They can dominate your income resources as well as your relationship with higher authority or decision maker. Sometimes higher authority or decision maker will not be very favorable for you. Ketu's position is like it will create a major obstacles in your growth. It will create a major obstacle in what you want to achieve. And Ketu also can dominate your health regarding your tummy. With all due respect, may I say that the position of Saturn, the position of Mars, the position of Jupiter is not very good. So we have to make sure that Jupiter, Saturn, Mars have to be rectified sooner rather than later. The position of Rahu Ketu can dominate this particular week as well as position of Jupiter, Saturn and Mars. With the help of complete weekly report, with the help of task precaution chanting, you can rectify Rahu Ketu and Jupiter, Saturn and Mars if you want to. It's entirely up to you. So you can sort it out, go for the full report, have access to the full report and rectify these planets with task precaution chanting. Virgo weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across health complication, major official obstacles, delays, complication, hassles, financial losses, unnecessary family relationship arguments and conflicts. You've got to be very careful about your business, financial transactions, business partnership on financial resources. Sometimes business partnership and joint ventures can be very tricky, full of hassles, full of tediousness. Sometimes peace of mind and mental contentment will not be there. You have to deal with secret rivals. You will go through a lot of professional and personal challenges and opportunities at the same time. But it's up to you how you're going to handle it. You'll have to work hard for your gain, success, prosperity. Beware of any kind of hasty attitude. Your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. You'll achieve your rewards and objectives. There will be few domestic challenges and complications which can cause major concern for you. You have a few different opinions which needs to be resolved for the best. By the weekend, you must look after your health and well-being regarding stress level, eyesight, well-being. Your expenditure can be sky high. Please do not waste your time in fruitless activities. Beware of enemies. But in this coming week, the position of Rahu, Ketu, Sun, Mercury, Mars is not favorable. Sun, Mercury position is not favorable at all. No, the position of Mars is not very good at all. So due to this position, Sun, Mercury, Mars position, Sun, Mercury in 8th house, Mars position in 6th house. Okay, sometimes peace of mind, happiness will not be there. Sometimes authority support will not be there. Sometimes decision maker will not support you. At the same time, sometimes you can be all over the place when it comes to personal life or professional life. You can, sometimes peace of mind, happiness will not be there. And sometimes you can be all over the place. You've got to sort it out. And you can sort it out with the help of task precaution chanting. Task precaution chanting will tell you exactly how you can raise your Sun, Mercury and Mars. How you can sort it out your position of very acute position of Rahu in house of profession and Ketu in house of family comfort. How you can sort out these two, especially balance these two. Task precaution chanting and with the whole report, you will be aware a lot more than this. And you should go for a whole report if you want to. Libra weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of stumbling blocks, delays, complications, hassles. Libra, you must complete a lot of unfinished project tasks before you start anything new. You got to make sure that you must use your time and energy in a most productive way. There will be lots of tensions, unnecessary hassles, but you must exercise discipline, determination, and be motivated. You'll come across lots of enthusiastic, new people, new planning, new ventures, new ideas. And more you become active, creative, dynamic, more you will achieve. Libra, you'll come across major obstacles, delays in everything you do and perform. Most of your efforts will be handsomely rewarded. Do take care of your health and well-being. Beware of family arguments or conflicts. If you are traveling, then please be careful and beware of cheating, deception, fraud, and financial losses. By the weekend, your circumstances will improve. A lot of unfinished task projects will be done and dusted. Your expenditure will be quite higher than your imagination. You really have to work hard for your accomplishment, for your gain, for your success. You'll be in contact with professional people, a decision maker, and with their contact, you'll come across a lot of dignified opportunities. There will be lots of running around and hassles. You'll get the support and encouragement, whatever you want to achieve. But make sure you have to keep up your efforts. This coming week, may I say, the position of Venus, the position of Sun and Mercury is not very good. Sun and Mercury position is not good for the matrimonial relationship, not for the marriage, not for the business venture. And sometimes there's a deficit of trust in the relationship or living conflict in the relationship. And Jupiter, Saturn in the 4th house. Either you'll have a professional issues or you'll have a health issues. Look after your back, look after your energy level and watch your behavior and temper. Either you're blessed with a lot of energy, but you're not using energy in the most productive way. You, instead of lashing out at people, instead of ridiculing anybody with your behavior, don't do that. You have to create a synergy. You have energy, Libra, no doubt about it, but be more productive. With the task precaution chanting, you can raise your Sun, Mercury, you can raise your Venus. It can help you quite a lot. And you can sort out your combination of Jupiter and Saturn, and you can sort out the position of Mars and Moon. Moon is not very good. Moon's position can create a lot of issues regarding financial backing, unnecessary financial loss, so unexpected huge expenditure. So you have to sort it out with the full report. You have the whole access to the full what's happening in the whole week, and how you can sort out your negative side of the week regarding task precaution chanting. You can control your Sun, Mercury, as well as Moon, Venus and Mars. You can do that. Scorpio weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll be able to resolve a lot of your problems, complications, hassles. In this coming week, there will be a rise in bravery and creativity. You have a lots of personal and professional complications, but do watch your temper and out of control behavior. You'll come across lots of official obstacles and delays and hassles, but with your extreme effort, your past problem will be resolved, done and dusted. Your expenditure can be sky high. Beware of an accident and arguments or conflict. You're blessed with income resources and happy occasions. There will be professional prosperities as well as accomplishments. You go through few hardships and struggles. To watch your temper, behavior, dealings. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You must look after your health and well-being. There will be a few delays in completion of few important projects. Your expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You're blessed with income resources, but with your hard work and creativity, you can overcome, you can achieve it. Do watch your drive and step. You can achieve anything. Scorpio, in this coming week, Rahu Ketu's position is very cute, which can dominate quite a lot. The position of Sun and Mercury is not very positive. Sun and Mercury is very negative. Rahu Ketu is not very good. Ketu Rahu position can dominate your matrimonial health as well as your flow of income, wealth, assets. Sun and Mercury position is not very extremely unique and very good. It can dominate your profession and professional growth. With the task precaution chanting, you have to raise your Sun, Mercury. You got to sort out your Rahu in 8th house and Ketu's position in 2nd house, which can dominate your flow of income and build your debts, as well as dominate your matrimonial life or personal life. The position of Jupiter, Saturn, Mars in 3rd house. The position of Jupiter in 3rd house with Saturn, Mars is not good. So we have to make sure that we have to extract or boost something which could like to take away, dominate Ketu and Rahu, at the same time raise Sun, Mercury. With task precaution chanting, with full weekly report, you can have access to the whole information and you can sort out a lot of your problems and complications regarding profession, regarding flow of income, regarding personal relationship, regarding communication with the world. With a full report, everything is there. It's up to you. Sagittarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you will achieve mixed fruit, mixed rewards. You'll come across lots of happy occasions, playing with children, family happiness. Your efforts will be rewarded with your determination, with your dire determination, dedication, discipline. You'll be able to resolve a lot of your complications and hassles and past problems. You'll be blessed with the new income resources and you'll go through lots of financial, professional fluctuation and unexpected struggles. Sagittarius, you will go through lots of professional obstacles and family differences. Beware of any professional losses if you are in any joint ventures. You must look after your health and well-being. Your temper can be higher than your imagination. You'll be quite restless due to domestic situations. Refrain from any laziness and any kind of layback attitude. Do take care of your health and well-being and harmony, happiness, peace of mind. You've got to invest listening, passion, love, affection, care in your family relationship. You've got to. With the help of family elders, and you'll be able to complete a lot of your unfinished projects. You might involve in a deal of a car or property. As longer you use your common sense, applied wisdom, most of your problem will be resolved and understood. Stop winding up yourself. Do spend only where you need to spend. Do not make any verbal financial contract. Do not lend anybody any money. Beware of lending people money, please. This coming week, may I say that the position of Rahu and Ketu is not very positive. Ketu is very positive, Rahu is not. Rahu can dominate your relationship. Rahu can create unexpected financial losses. Rahu can create animosity between you and your partner, life partner or business partner. Rahu can develop misunderstanding. And sometimes you can be all over the place, but as longer you refrain from like a personal deficit or professional deficit between you and your partner, and deficit of trust between you and your partner, then you'll be able to resolve a lot of things. And may I say that I like to raise your Ketu, give Ketu more strength, but take away the Rahu. If you dominate Rahu, it will take away professional losses or financial losses. Raising Ketu will give you position, status, prestige and honor. Mars position in second house and Saturn position in second house, first and Mars. Beware of verbal cheating, deception, fraud. People can come along and they think they can make some money out of you and try to cheat you. And they'll put you into a situation. Don't lend anybody any money, and don't follow people's advice to invest any money, and investigate everything before you invest or spend any money. And don't make any verbal financial commitment with anybody, please. So with the whole report of this week, you can sort out your Rahu Ketu as well as and Mars position in second house with Saturn. So with the whole report, it's up to you. If you take the whole report, you have the whole week's awareness as well as what you should do to balance the week. It's up to you. Capricorn weekly conclusion. In this coming week, your official task will be done and dusted. This coming week, you'll come across lots of happy occasions. There will be a rise in status, prestige and honor and achievement. You'll come across lots of running around, tensions, health issues, complications. You'll come across many major obstacles, delays and complications in your job, profession and career. Your foreign project will be successful. Lots of running around and unnecessary expenditure. Family relationship clashes will be there. Sometimes you can be all over the place. There will be fruitless running around, unnecessary tension, struggles, adverse circumstances. Refrain from out of control behavior, out of control word or speech and any form of aggression. You have to work hard for your gain, success and prosperity. Your struggle will be rewarded. You go through major professional challenges. You've got to look after your health and well-being and your personal relationship. Sometime your expected success won't be there. Great improvement in your circumstances that you'll make a lots of plan for the future. This coming week, may I say, position of the combination of Mars, Saturn and Jupiter. We have to make sure that Saturn combination, Saturn, Jupiter, Mars combination have to be sorted for better, for bigger and better. And may I say, position of Rahu Ketu is very good. And Sun, Mercury in 4th house can offer you something dignified achievements and prosperity regarding business, profession, career. But Saturn, Jupiter, Mars have to be sorted for the bigger and better. Position of Venus is very good, outstanding performance. If you are going for an exam or presentation or interview. With Venus position, if you're a student, the brilliance will be noticed. You can achieve dignified success and prosperity. But Jupiter, Saturn, Mars, we have to sort out this combination for bigger and better. With whole report, you have the awareness of the week and what you shouldn't do, and what you should do regarding task, precaution, chanting to sort out this week and achieve the best. In the whole weekly report, you can do that. Aquarius weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you come across lots of uncertainties, delays, major obstacles, unnecessary obstacles, waste of time. Aquarius, in this coming week, you must look after your health and well-being. You'll come across many professional issues and complications, lots of running around, obstacles in completion of your important project and task. Do not waste your time in fruitless activities or tasks. Income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You must look after your health and well-being. You've got to look after your health and family relationship. Beware of any living conflicts and argument in personal life or professional life. Beware of foul temper and aggressive approach. You might go abroad and travel around. You must keep a close eye on your rivals. Do take care of your eyes. You will make a lots of new planning, new ventures, new projects, new ideas. You got to put extreme effort for your recognition, appreciation, and rising. By the weekend, your situation will improve. You'll get the family support. Refrain from foul temper, otherwise you'll end up ruining something very important with your aggression. So don't lose temper. You have to be very careful. In this coming week, may I say that the position of Mars, Saturn, Jupiter in 12th house is not very good. You have to sort out this position of Mars, Saturn, Jupiter in 12th house with the help of task, precaution, chanting. And position of Rahu is not good. Position of Rahu is not extremely good. The reason why, because decision maker, the higher authority will be against you. And you'll carry lots of stress. And sometimes achievements will not be there. Things will be, major obstacles will go through that. Mars, Saturn, Jupiter position can dominate your flow of income and some sort of a unexpected huge expenditure or unexpected fine, penalty, punishment or unexpected you have to pay somebody some money. So position of Jupiter have to be rectified. Sooner the better, may I say that. And Mars, Saturn, Jupiter in 12th house is not good. Rahu's position in 5th house we have to eliminate. We have to make you immune from that with the help of task, precaution, chanting. In the full weekly report, you can have access to all these things. How can you dominate? How you can sort it out? And what's the whole weekly forecast like? You'll have the whole awareness. It's up to you. Go for the weekly report. Full weekly report, you can achieve everything. Pisces weekly conclusion. In this coming week, you'll come across lots of obstacles, delays, fruitless expenditure. You'll come across lots of running around and sometimes income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your income and sometimes expenditure can be sky high. Do watch your financial transaction. You'll get the friendly support and help and guidance for your rising. There will be improvement in your finances and you'll travel around. You've got to look after your behavior, presentation and dealing with higher authorities. You go through lots of professional fluctuations, financial fluctuations and unnecessary hassles. Your income can be low, expenditure will be higher than your imagination. You go through lots of struggleful situations. There will be few different opinions and clashes in your family relationship. There will be rise in family expenditure and quite tense link with recognition, appreciation and rising. You must be aware of family inheritance, conflicts, arguments. If you're in a business partnership or joint venture issues, then you've got to be extra careful. Otherwise, you'll end up in a huge argument or conflict. So be aware of that one. This coming week, may I say that the position of Rahu, Ketu is not good. Rahu will create a lot of mental stress. Ketu can fluctuate your profession. May I say the position of Venus is very prominent. The combination of Mars, Saturn, Jupiter in 11th house, okay, but I don't want Jupiter in 11th house. Mars, Saturn position in 11th house is prominent, is okay, is unique. So Jupiter, Mars, Saturn combination in 11th house is prominent, but Jupiter have to be eliminated from 11th house. Jupiter's 11th house position is not very unique. It is alright there. So rather give a support to Ketu with the help of Jupiter instead of combination with Saturn, Jupiter, Mars. No. And Rahu's position in 4th house have to be controlled. Otherwise, you will have a lot of tension, insecurities will be there. And we've got to sort it out with the help of task, precaution, chantings. So go for the full report in which you will aware about what you should do to control the situation with the help of task, precaution, chanting, and have the full thorough weekly report. You will know exactly what is going on in the whole week. Many thanks for watching this weekly horoscope. Would you like to know more of what this coming week going to bring for you regarding situations, circumstances, scenarios? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming week regarding your actions, regarding emotions and visions? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming week? Would you like to have some guidance regarding decision choices you're making in this week and how you can overcome and resolve most of your hassles and complication and awkward situation and waste of time in this coming week? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign weekly horoscope report on video as well as written. Do visit our website, prakashastrologer.com, because I want you to win in every situation and be self-content and happy.